Yeah, some groovy sound. Yeah, let him have it now. If I had to make a choice, if it comes to rule the world, one thing I would do, get rid of all the trash. Yeah, not from the outward appearance. No, that ain't nothing to worry about. All the danger is where you do not expect. Yeah, let's do something about it. Open our eyes and listen with our ears so we know what's going on in the world. Yeah, a lot of darkness, a lot of cold. Woo! Oh yeah, hard time. Yeah, say it. Yeah, say it. That's everybody is. And love don't exist anymore. Ooh, I'm telling you now. Ooh, watch out. Yeah, watch out. Yeah, because it's dangerous out there. Even wherever you are, everywhere is trouble. Everywhere is war. Among people, war. Among animals, war. Among everything, there is war. Even in the Most High, in the spiritual world, it is war. Come on, you people, come to realize. Come on, people, get together as one. Then it will work. Woo! For all. Yeah. Don't you want freedom at last? Woo! Yeah. Yeah. Come on now, you people. Come on now, you. Come on now, yeah. Let's do something about it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Come on, you people. Come on, you people. Come on, you people.